So in this question, you're asked to find limit x tends to 1, x minus 2 by x square minus x, minus 1 by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So if you do the direct substitution, so the first expression is minus 1 by 0, which tends to infinity, and 1 by, the denominator is 1 minus 3 plus 2, again equal to 0. So this is of the form infinity minus infinity right now, which is an indeterminate form. Let us go forward and see what we can do. So first I observe that this can be written as x into x minus 1. This can be written as x into x square minus 3x plus 2. So limit x tends to 1, x minus 2 by x times x minus 1 minus 1 by x times x square minus 3x plus 2. Now 1 by x is here, 1 by x is here, and as you can see, x square minus 3x plus 2 can be factorized into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So what I do now is x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1 we can take common. So limit x tends to 1, 1 by x times x minus 1 times x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 2. X minus 2 is left out here, minus 1 by x into x minus 1 has been taken as common, x minus 2. So now if you put x is equal to 1, you get an indeterminate form here, and this is 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus of minus 1. So limit x tends to 1. So if you do the direct substitution, this is 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 1 minus 2. There is minus 1 minus of minus 1. That is 0. Right? So this is going to 0. This is also going to 0. Right now we have 0 by 0 form, which is an indeterminate form. So what I'll do is I'll take the LCM. So 1 by x times x minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square minus 1. So if the LCM is taken as x minus 2, in the numerator you have x minus 2 whole square minus 1. So that is equal to limit x tends to 1. So in the denominator you have x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. In the numerator you have x minus 2 whole square minus 1, which is equal to x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 minus 1. There is x minus 1 into x minus 3. These are the form a square minus b square. You can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So x minus 1 and x minus 1 gets cancelled. So once the indeterminacy has been cancelled, you can do the direct substitution. So you have minus 2 by 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 2. So this limit will be equal to 2.